a star to fall. Won't you do me a favor? Won't you give me a baby? All this time I'm looking at my tab.
Do you know about Juicici? Spring lookbook and unboxing video. Just let's get started. Hey guys, hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Layan and today I'm gonna be doing a fashion haul. I'm so excited to say I'm doing a Juicici haul, and this video is sponsored by Juicici. If you're not familiar with Juicici, Juicici is a fashion brand with unique, colorful and attractive design, have such trendy pieces with affordable prices. You guys, you really seem to like my fashion haul. So anyway, if you kind of like anything from this haul, I will link everything down below. I got many cute stylish clothes, like kind of spring items. So I have my own code LION15 for 18% off and free shipping over $45. So guys, you have to follow Juicici Instagram. They have such trendy pieces and they update their fashion. You guys, you have to follow me on my Instagram because I've been trying to post more like fashion inspiration outfits. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the items, so let's begin. So I have a huge package here, were delivered a week ago from Juicici, and it's really delivered so fast, which I were so happy. So let's unbox together Juicici package. Ooh, so here, as you can see, we have a Juicici clothes. So we have here 1, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, and 4. Ooh, so excited. 5 pieces, 6 pieces, 7, 8, 9 pieces, and the last, not yet, 10, 11 pieces. Oh, and I got 3 cute scrunchies. Yeah, so here we have 11 pieces. So if you are excited to see these clothes, just keep watching. So here we have a skirt. This is called black knitted furry skirt. It's really cute and it's stretchy. Oh wow, like it's really soft. Yeah. So second pieces, and here we have Juicici. Oh, I think it's a set with this skirt. I really love this fabric. It's so cute. I really like the fabric. It's really soft and it's stretchy too. I got S size and I hope it's really fit me well. Next we have, here we have a white bucket hat. Oh, it's really pretty and I like the shape. I'm so excited to try this. I really wanted to try this packet. It's really trendy, so yeah. Next we have a blue jean with a belt with S size. Well, I like this color of a jean. It's so light. We have a belt here. I love these. These are so trendy. It seems oversized and the fabric is really good. So next we have here, it looks so amazing. Also here we have a pink plaid cardigan. cute. It's so soft material, it's really good. And I really like here with a heart shape, with a colorful heart shapes. I really like this cardigan, so I'm so excited to try this out. Next, so here we have a white blouse and camisole. So I like this blouse. The sleeves, it's so pretty and stretchy here. I like the fabric. And with this blouse we have a camisole, a black camisole. I like how it's look. It's so unique and pretty. You can wear it with a shirt and with this blouse. Here we have a cute bag. It's look like a jean bag. It's such pretty shade. It's like denim bag. It's such pretty bag and cute. Next we have here, it's a dress. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's such a pretty dress. It's like mini dress. So this one is called a red plate dress with S size. I like the color. I'm really obsessed with red color and I like how it looks. And we have here another pieces from Juicici. Oh, so this is a mini skirt, cute skirt with a belt here. So this skirt came with blouse, white blouse. It's a set, so I will show you guys. So we have this set together. We have a camisole, white black plate camisole. It's so pretty, right? I like the plate camisole. I like the color black and white. And this came with a white blouse, another white blouse from Juicici. Oh, it's so soft fabric. It's light and soft. So pretty. This is white blouse with camisole and this skirt. It's a set together. I'm so excited to try this out. And next, another Juicici piece. So we have two pieces here. This band, it's such trendy. Look, this is a crossbody trouser. The color, it's look like khaki and with wide legs. It's stretchy and I got with S size. And we have a hooded zipper. It's so pretty. It's like cropped hooded zipper. So excited to try this. So the color is khaki and size came with S. So this is the last piece and I'm so excited to try this out. I have done unboxing Juicici haul, and if you are excited to watch the spring lookbook with Juicici, just keep watching this video. And so let's get started.
I kinda need a word, well, I'm into you. And all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you, and my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. If I could show you somehow how much you mean to me, if you could only see, baby, you know what I want, anybody else. That is what my heart said. Need a paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Let's tryna fight this, let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless tryna fight this, let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. Weekend here in this bed we can sleep in.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the diner. Serves as a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. Put you down and leave you dead, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for you. Yeah. No, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Maybe you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted.
Today I showed you guys my unique and cute haul from Juicici. So if you like this lookbook haul, like and subscribe my channel and leave your honest comment down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye!